The graph below gives the favorite sports of 3rd and 4th grade students. Part A says, make a 4x2 matrix containing the data in this graph. So translating the information from the graph, the 3rd grade column will be 20, 20, 15, and 5, and the 4th grade column will be 25, 15, 10, and 30. Part B says, suppose there is an increase of 5% for each sport for 3rd grade students and an increase of 8% for each sport for 4th grade students. Use matrix multiplication by a 2x2 matrix to find the new number of students for each sport for each grade. So I have my matrix A, and I want to find a matrix B that's a 2x2 matrix and accomplishes these increases. So an increase of 5% means I want to multiply by 1.05, and then 8% means I want to multiply by 1.08. However, I only want to multiply the 3rd grade column by 1.05, and I only want to multiply the 4th grade column by 1.08. And I need to accomplish this with a 2x2 matrix. So this is kind of tricky. So let's work with the 3rd grade students first. To do this, I'm going to put 1.05 and 0 in the first column. So let's look at how the matrix multiplication works here. So I'm multiplying row by column. So the 20 gets multiplied by the 1.05, which is what I want, because that's the 3rd grade information. And then the 25 gets multiplied by 0, and that's equal to 0, and that's what I want because I'm not considering the 4th grade information right now. And that'll be the same for all of the other rows that get multiplied by this. Now in the second column, I want to put 0 and then 1.08. So the way that this will work is row times column, and the 20 gets multiplied by 0, so that's equal to 0, and that's what we want because we don't care about the 3rd grade information right now. We only care about the 4th grade information. And the 25 gets multiplied by the 1.08, and that's what we want. And the same thing will happen for the rest of the rows. So let's multiply these two matrices now, and this will be our final answer. So 21, 27, 21, 16.2, 15.57, 10.8, 5.25, and 32.4.